Assalamu alaikum and welcome back to morEwish Cuisine. Today I'm sharing very easy and delicious recipe of roast beef sandwiches. I already shared the recipe of pot roast and I'm using that same beef to make these sandwiches. These are easy grab and go kind of a lunch for kids or even for adults. So without further ado, let's go and make it happen. So let's start our recipe. Bismillah. First, I sliced my pot roast. You can do it as thick or as thin you like. And at this point, you can freeze your beef as well for your future sandwiches. I sliced them with the help of knife. Now we need some bread. Today I'm using French bread, and with the help of serrated knife, I will just cut it in half. And then I will spread some mayo on both sides of my bread. I am using regular real mayo, but you can use whatever mayo you prefer. Then pick up a piece of meat and you can layer as high or as low you want. I'm not layering that much because my beef pieces are a little thicker. I'm just sprinkling some salt on top of it, and then I'm using provolone cheese. I just cut the slice in half and put it like so. Then I'm adding some shredded mozzarella cheese, and now I will just put it in a toaster just to toast the bread and until the cheese will get melted. I'm doing it in a toaster, but you can do it in an oven as well. Then I'm just adding some sliced tomatoes, sprinkle some salt and pepper to season tomatoes. Now I am adding some caramelized onion, which I added in the pot roast, and I'm just doing it on the half side of my sandwich. You can add any other vegetable if you like to add on your sandwich. For me, this sandwich is done. And today I'm serving this sandwich with a side of chips, but you can have it with a coleslaw, baked potato, mashed potatoes, or whatever you like to enjoy it with. And if you're trying this recipe at home, please let me know how it turned out with you. If you want to learn something else, let me know. Leave me a comment down below and I will try my best to make it happen for you guys. Once again, thank you so much for watching. And if you like this recipe, don't forget to click on the links to enjoy a lot more recipes like this.